Yes, as you can see, this is a fully functioning website which I created with AI in less than just 5 minutes. Yeah, you can see the website there, very beautiful, with my name and the text, architect of code and story, all that. I even posted my works. Yeah, since I'm interested in novel writing, I posted my work, Synapse Protocol, I mean. And even I added a fantastic game to my website here, Simo Flag Master. So you can see, yes, it is just like guessing the country's name. Let me guess what's one. So error, the correct answer was Romania. So you can see an interactive game in my website. You can get in touch with me, WhatsApp there. So this is a website that I created with AI with simple steps which I'm going to show you right away. So keep it at SimoFact. So with this project, you're going to follow just the 3 simple steps, and the first one is to get our code from ChatGPT. So we'll get our code from ChatGPT. Then the second step is we will paste and save our code in a code editor, which you can simply download from Play Store. And then thirdly, we will host it on Netlify, as you can see. Open my ChatGPT app. So I've come to realize that AI, it is just about the prompt which you give it. If you give it a long and detailed prompt, it might even surprise you with the outcome. But if you are brief, you limit. When you are brief with your prompt, or you are brief with the instructions you give it, then it will also be brief with what it is going to give. So the prompt matters while using AI. So the prompt is like this. It's saying, create a modern, professional, and fully responsive website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a single file. So when you say the website topic, so what do you want to create? So maybe let's say I want to create a website for let me say I want to create a website for, just say, my online store, my online shoe store. So that's an idea. So here you can place any idea you want your website to generate, and it will be good. So with the output, you just put it in one file and do not explain anything, only output the full code. So this prompt, I'll leave it at the description below, so you can head at the description, copy and paste it to your ChatGPT so as to get a code. So I'll just I'll just put like that, and let us leave ChatGPT to work. Let us finish writing our code. So here is our code. We have everything you need, but also to make it premium, I have another prompt. So you can see, improve this website to look like a premium SaaS product, add glassmorphism or better animation. So this is to make it look more professional. And also this prompt, I'll leave it at the description below. So let me do that, and ChatGPT will work the wonders again. So it is done. So once it is done, just copy your code. So you head over here, copy your code. So what you need is a code editor. So you can head over to Play Store and download a code editor if you don't have. But if you have, mine, I have a code editor. This one here is my code editor. So I'll just head over to this, my code editor. Yeah, I'll also leave the link in the description if you want to download it. Then I will click here and click a new. I want to create new. Then I just new. Then I click there and paste my code. So so once I've pasted my code there, I just click here again, save. So the key thing is how you save this code. This code is meaningless if you don't save it the right way. So be keen with how you must save it. You must save it as index.html. If you have a notepad, you can also head over to it. There's no need for a code editor, but I prefer you using a code editor for a reason I'll just show you now. So you save it as index.html, done. Then you click save, then okay. So once it says saved successfully, you can go now to there's this button here, like to play, to resume. So let it load there. So as you can see, now it is previewing my code, my website. It is just saying step X premium shoes for modern life, luxury meets performance, designed for style, built for comfort. So about step X, we redefine footwear with premium material, futuristic design, and unmatched comfort. Why choose us luxury build, all that. What customer says, it also added frequently asked questions. Contact us. So you can see that is basically our website. You can click shop now. Welcome to, okay, and all that. So you can see now our website, we have previewing it. So this is basically how our website is going to look. So the next step is to take this website online. You can see our website is pretty, feels well like just a normal website. But if you're not satisfied with how your website is looking, you can go to ChatGPT and modify, tell it to do this and this to your code, and it will just basically do that work for you. Done with that, you head over to Chrome. I will suggest you use your Chrome browser. Yeah. Then you head over and search Netlify. Netlify. Now this is the last step. Head over to Netlify where you're going to host our website. So Netlify. So once you go to Netlify, it will say push your ideas. You just click on login. You log in with your Google. Okay. So once you are in Netlify, you just click here, add new project. So you then you scroll down here, then you are here it says drag files to upload. So just click drag files to upload. You click it there, then you'll see me, I've saved the file I saved as index.html is here. I just click sometimes. So it is saying uploading, please don't refresh. That is what we want. So you don't refresh, just wait for it. So now it will give you like this, call me fresh out. So this shows that your website is actually online. So you head to quick setup to change the name so that you can have a good name you can present to friends. So I can say, I can just say Simo Fact. Or if your website was about shoes, if your website was about shoes, you can give it any name that you want. So I'll just say update project name. So once you see project name has been updated successfully, you just leave, then you refresh the page. Once you have refreshed the page, you go to your projects. You'll see the website Simofact, this one here. So you'll just click on this link, you will copy the link text, and then you'll, so that you can share it with your friends, or to just click it there to preview how your website looks. So this is our functioning website. Step X, premium shoes for modern life, luxury meets. So that's a shop now. Okay, about SpaceX, why choose us? So this is basically you can say name. So as you can see, this is basically a functioning website which we just build using AI in just less than 10 or so minutes. So you can customize your website to whatever you want just by giving the AI instructions so that it can generate the code for you, and then just follow the step I have used now so as to get a functioning website. If you want to add the login page, if you want to add the login page and all that, you can just give that prompt to ChatGPT and it will generate it for you. So to prove that this is online, so I can go, maybe let's say Google, then I'll paste my website there, search, and you'll see that it is online. My website is there. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If it was helpful, share, like and subscribe. Till then, God bless you.